We're going to be doing the sequence pillow, and I actually have everything printed out to make this video real easy. And with this one, this is the gold sequence pillow. See, it's the gold one, and the measurements are, hold on, let me get my measurement. Let me get my thing. I think this is 16 by 16. So it's measuring. That's why you always measure your product, because it's always off. Something is always off. As you can see, this pillow is measuring 15 3/4. So, which is supposed to measure 16, because I've never seen 15 and a half. So I'm thinking it's supposed to be 16 by 16. So we just gonna go with 16 by 16 with this pillow. And this is my design that's already printed. This will be a 50-year anniversary pillow. Yeah, 50 years wedding pillow. So we're going to go over to our heat press, and we're going to press this. And I will make this pillow, it's going to be a two-sided pillow, because I want to take advantage of the back of the pillow and the front of the pillow. And of course, it looks like my heat press is not warmed up, so let me wait till it warm up and I'll be right back. Okay, heat press is on, and I have a sheet of paper on the inside. You want to make sure the zipper part is whatever which way you want to face it, but the zipper part is the bottom part of the pillow. So you want to put your design face up. So this is my design. It is Mr. Stewart. So I'm going to put the face up. And I'm not going to use any paper on top, because it's really not a bleed through paper. So I'm going to throw it right in the middle. Sure everything is lined up. And I can't use, if you want to use it, we're going to just go ahead and use it. Okay, let's press. And my press is set for 401, and it added those few seconds to the temperature and the time. That's too much pressure. Let's put it up some. All right, there we go. So we got the front, and we're gonna do the back. And this is the bottom right here, and I have the top like right there. I'm gonna flip this over, and we're gonna repeat the same process. And this is my design for the back. Okay, here's the finished outcome of the front, the back, and the front. Let me pull my paper out just in case it lagged through. And it didn't, so I guess we have no need for this paper.